Di sayon ang hikalimtan ka, hangtod karon ako nagpaabot pa, nga mahibalik pa ang kagahapon ta. Bisan pa ug ako gikalimtan mo na, bisan pa ug may lain ka na karon, ikaw lang gihapon ang igubaon. Bisan pa ug kasakit lang ang maangkon, basta malipay ka ang tanan akong dawaton. Nakita ko karon ang kahintang mo, lahi ragyod sa ako pa ang kauban mo. Sa iyang giliran pagkamalipayon mo, ug ako anian naghandom nga palikon mo. Bisan ba ug may lain ka na karon, ikaw lang gihapon ang igubaon. Bisan ba ug kasakit lang ang maangkon, basta malipay ka ang tanan akong dawaton. Hangtod karon ako minglaom lang gihapon, nga moabot ang panahon nga imong balikon. Bisan pa, bisan pa, bisan pa ug may lain ka na karon, ikaw lang gihapon ang igubaon. Bisan pa ug kasakit lang ang maangkon, basta malipay ka ang tanan akong dawaton. Oh, bisan pa, bisan pa, bisan pa ang tanan akong dawaton.
Yeah, I would have a show like Oprah. I would be the host of Everyday Christmas. Give Travi a wish list. I'd probably pull a Angelina and Brad Pitt and adopt a bunch of babies that ain't never had shit. Give away a few Mercedes like, here lady, have this. And last but not least, grant somebody their last wish. It's been a couple months that I've been single, so you can call me Travis Claus, minus the ho-ho. Get it? I'll probably visit where Katrina hit, and damn sure do a lot more than FEMA did. Yeah, can't forget about me, stupid. Everywhere I go, I'ma have my own theme music.
Oh, every time I close my eyes,
What you see, bro?
I see my name in shining lights.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah,
And what else?
a different city every night. I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire. When I'm a billionaire.
playing basketball with the president, dunking on his delegates. Then I compliment him on his political etiquette. Toss a couple million in the air just for the heck of it, but keep the 5s, 20s, 10s, and bins completely